jet later. It's on Lucky Road, I bet.
Lucky Street.
This is hilarious. As you enter the Hard Rock, there are opportunities to find the casino, see hotels, and there are also nice shopping here too.
I don't know.
Very good. I like this open area here. Oh, I think we're going the right way. You're in a hotel now. I love the decorations here at the Oasis Tower. Front desk. Very hip, very trendy. Bring your pup. Oh, we could have brought Champion here?
I don't know. Oh, look at all the cool stuff.
It's very fun to see it.
Look at you. Elvis stuff.
Well, this is the kitchen in a deli.
Yeah.
Prices aren't bad though.
No.
They have musical shows here by this two-story fountain. Straight ahead is a casino. Dozens of bars and restaurants in this park adjacent to the casino. It is a big casino. So let's explore the casino. Let's see how much it costs to use a slot machine and play blackjack. Most of these hands are at least 25 bucks. No $5 tables here. This isn't what I expected.
What did you expect?
Like the Wizard of Oz, it to be fabulous.
You thought it was going to be
Oh, it's like the
Vegas in the
Bellagio,
70s.
gorgeous. Jennifer Lopez.
I didn't like when the money actually shot out of the
They have a ton of slots.
You probably shouldn't have the cameras.
Not at the table. They have a lot of table games. How much are they? Most 25 bucks, I think. Not too many $5 tables. Look how they protected from COVID with those screens. Yeah. I thought it was gonna be classy in here. What about you?
Casinos usually aren't classy.
It is a big casino. Okay, sure. This isn't what I expected.
What did you expect?
Like the Wizard of Oz, it to be fabulous.
You thought it was going to be
Oh, it's gonna be like the
Vegas in the
Bellagio,
70s.
gorgeous. Most of these hands are at least 25 bucks. No $5 tables here. There are a lot of different ways. There are a lot of different places for drinks and food here. No, this restaurant. I like the subtle neutrals, laid back music. I wonder if the food's any good. It's busier than a lot of people. And of course, there's Hard Rock merchandising here in the Hard Rock store. Hey, now let's look at some of the swimming pools at the Hard Rock Casino hotels on this property. Please drop towels here. Okay, so we did our search for the pools. Well over an acre of water, I'd imagine. bright yellow towels, sorted bars. And you smell some cigarette smoke.
Get the whole view.
Yeah, this is ideal. And there it is, one of the greatest structure, the Guitar Hotel. There are lower rise platforms of rooms too. Very attractive. The architecture is amazing. I love the curvilinear structures.
We gotta go down upstairs.
Now there's another pool complex that is very inspiring too. Directly behind me, meanders through the complex. Let's look at it in detail. I bet that was it, yeah. And look at this incredible Blue Lagoon water attraction here that meanders through the complex. See the...
Lifeguard chairs, they must swim.
Yeah, now do they only do it certain times of the year or is it certain times of the day? What do you think?
Is it like a lazy river? I
That's
don't
very
know.
interesting.
Debbie.
In high rollers, we enjoy these luxury bungalows. See if you zoom in. Very nice. Ringo Starr.
He was coming to Alicia Keys.
I didn't know they had such good talent here.
Oh.
Hey, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment.